हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे इंडो ग्रीक कॉइन्स के बारे में। द इंडो Greeks produced the next notable series of coins in the second first century BCE because the minting was done in a more polished manner. The Indo-Greeks method of coinage became crucial. The coins were generally composed of silver and most were round, with few rectangular or circular exceptions, and depicted legends as well as the name of the issuing ruler. देख लें पर the Indo-Greek coins from 180 BCE, roughly 10 AD, the Indo-Greeks ruled. The Indo-Greeks popularized the practice of depicting the ruler's buster head on coins. Legend on their Indian coins were written in two languages. ये सब पॉइंट वाइज लिखा हुआ है। ग्रीक ऑन वन साइड एंड खरोष्टी ऑन द अदर। तो एक तरफ ग्रीक लैंग्वेज में लिखा रहता था और एक तरफ खरोष्टी लैंग्वेज में लिखा रहता था। Zeus, Hercules, Apollo and Pallas Athene were among the Greek gods and goddesses depicted on Indo-Greek coins. The first series of coins featured Greek gods, while later coins had Indian god as well. These coins were notable because they included precise information on the issuing monarch, the year of release, and occasionally a portrait of the ruling monarch. Silver, copper, nickel, and lead were the most common metal used in coins. The coin of the Greek king in India were multilingual, with the front side printed in Greek and the back in Pali in Kharoshthi script. Later, Indo-Greek Kushan kings brought the king practice of etching portrait heads on coins to India. On one side, a helmeted bust of the monarch was depicted. On the reverse, the king's favorite deity. Kanishk's coins were only minted with Greek characters. The Kushan Empire wide coinage impacted a great number of tribes, dynasties, and kingdoms who began issuing their own coin as a result. फिर conclusion है, the quantity of their coins suggested a huge mining operation, notably in the Hindu hilly Kushan's region, as well as significant monetary economy. The Indo-Greek struck multilingual coins in both the Greek round and Indian square standard, important lying that monetary circulation was widespread across. तो ये था इंडो ग्रीक के बारे में। मतलब इतना ही लिख देंगे अगर आप लोग, तो नंबर आप लोगों को अच्छा खासा आ जाएगा एग्ज़ाम में। थैंक यू।